Hello friends. If you make a call to the project, the relay 1 will turn on. And if you make the call again, the relay 1 will turn off. But what if you forget to turn off the relay? Then, the relay will turn off automatically after 30 minutes. Because I have set the 30 minutes interval in the code. You can set the interval from 1 minute to 1440 minutes. That are equals to 24 hours or 1 day. And the relay will turn off automatically after the interval we have defined here. You can also set the interval by sending the SMS from your phone. Send dr equals and then enter the interval in minutes. I have set the interval to 30 minutes. You can set up to 1440 minutes. You will also receive the status on your phone. Here, the interval is set to 30 minutes. Now, if I make a call to the project, then the relay 1 will turn on. And it will continue to run until the time is up. In our case, the relay will turn off after 30 minutes. You can also control the relay by sending SMS. Send 1 on to turn on the relay. And send 1 off to turn off the relay. And after a while, the relay will be turned off. You might attach a water pump or solenoid valve to the relay module. And then, you can use this project for watering the plant or irrigation system. For this project you need Arduino Nano, SIM800L GSM module, single channel relay module for connecting a water pump or solenoid valve, and 3.7 volts battery for SIM800L. Next, let's discuss about the wiring of the components. First, I will connect all the ground pins. Next, I have powered the relay module using the 5 volts pin of Arduino. And power up the SIM800L using 3.7 volts battery. The TX and RX pins of SIM800L will be connected to D2 and D3 pins of Arduino. And connect the relay input pin to D7 pin of Arduino. This is all about the wiring diagram. Follow the wiring diagram and connect all the components on breadboard. Feel free to comment if you have any issue. Let's move to the Arduino sketch. First thing you need to know is stop time variable. Here, you need to enter the time interval to turn off the relay. Suppose, if you want to set the interval to 1 day, then use this 24-hour variable in stop time. And the interval will be set to 1 day. And if you want to set the interval to 5 hours, for that, enter 5, then asterisk, and then 1 hour. And the interval will be set to 5 hours. Lastly, to set the interval for 10 minutes, enter 10, then asterisk, and then 1 minute. And the interval will be set to 1 minute. This is how you can set the interval. Next, go to the loop function. Here, this block of code is responsible for handling incoming calls and SMS. And below, this block of code controls the timer function. And when the time is up, it switched off the relay automatically. If you need more explanation about the code, then just comment below. I will be there for you. Next, select your board from the Tools menu. I have Arduino Nano with old bootloader. You can also use Arduino Uno. Now, hit Upload button to upload the code. You can use the serial monitor for testing the project. When you make a missed call or send an SMS to the project, then you can see the sequence of events in the serial monitor. You can use this data for debugging or testing the project. So this is how you can control the relay by just making the missed call from your phone. If you want to connect a solenoid valve to the relay, then follow this diagram. You can download the wiring diagram and the code from my GitHub account. That's all. This is for today. If you have any question, then comment below. See you in the next video. Bye.